Peter, and I'm from Innovative Designs and Manufacturing, and we recently purchased this 12,000 kilowatt laser cutting machine from HARSLE. We received the machine a couple of weeks ago, and we've been installing the machine and setting it up, and the engineer from HARSLE, Chen Yang, came and helped us complete the installation and the assembly. He was very helpful in getting the machine to go from crate to operational. We have run a couple of jobs on the machine so far. The machine's capability, as far as all the test samples that we've done, have been impressive and very good. We're happy with the capability of the machine. The only thing that we have hiccups at the moment are our software for our existing drawings. We're having a little issue with translating those files and those drawings to the machine to get the job started. Once we can figure out the software issues and everything like that, I don't see any hiccups going forward, but I would hope that HARSLE could recommend to us and future customers what the best software for us to use in order to input our drawings into the machine to run our jobs. But outside of that, the engineer Chen has been very, very helpful in answering our questions and getting us set up and trained on the machine. So we look forward to using the machine for years to come, and hopefully everything goes smoothly. So this is our HARSLE shear that we purchased. It is a 10-foot shear, and we have been using it now for almost 7 or 8 years. We're very happy with the machine. It works very well. We bought this one, and we bought a press brake that is down there. So far so good, no complaints. If HARSLE can offer maybe every several years or something like that to come and maybe re-update the machine and get it back to original condition and everything like that, that would be great. But so far we've been very happy with the shear and the press brake, and the fact that we bought these machines and used them and operated them properly gave us the confidence in order for us to purchase the laser cutting machine that we are now starting the installation and operation of.